uh, from the Khasi Students Union. Today we have come in NEIGRIHMS as a mark of protest over the recent recruitment issues. This issue is not a recent one, but over the past 1 month, the union has been initiating its dialogue with the authorities of NEIGRIHMS in regard to the 80-20 female-male ratio and the age limit and all the examination centers and also the other recruitment policies which the authorities in recent has amended, which are against the interests of the tribal population of Meghalaya and which will only benefit the other communities, whereas it will demerit all the possibilities of the tribal indigenous communities to get employment in NEIGRIHMS. We have also initiated a dialogue with the two honourable MPs of Meghalaya, and even they have written to the NEIGRIHMS authorities, but the NEIGRIHMS authorities have, in particular the director, is adamant in regard to this recruitment. He's putting the blame on the ministry, but we have ample evidence to show that the ministry does not really take a full participation in this. It is all it depends on the governing council of the NEIGRIHMS authorities itself. So NEIGRIHMS authorities with the permission of the governing council can do all these fulfill all these demands which the union has submitted it to them. But unfortunately, the director is adamant in this regard, which prompted the union to come here for an indefinite protest. And we have stated that we will not move from NEIGRIHMS until unless all the demands that the union has put before the director is being met.
So, you
All the demands that we have met, that we have demanded, the 80-20 ratio, the age limit, the examination centers to be in Shillong itself, to be in Meghalaya, and other agendas that we have mentioned to be met. Like I've told you, this is not the first time that we have met the director. We have had four meetings. We have gone through the documents and everything. We have submitted around 4 to 6 memorandums. The NEIGRIHMS have also replied. We have shown them all the loopholes in their reply that they can do this, but unfortunately none of after which they did not comply to anything. As you know, the advertisement last date was on the 28th of April. We are on 1st of May now, so the time is already lapsed, and NEIGRIHMS, without fulfilling any of those demands, which is very critical for the welfare of the institution and the health sector as a whole, they have not met any of those demands. And if they go forward with this recruitment, it will affect the welfare of the institution, of the NEIGRIHMS and the health sector as well, because what we have seen is now the proportion of male nurses is exceeding the female nurses. So this will have a major impact, because henceforth in the future years, when all these female nurses have retired, there will be no more female nurses. There will only be male nurses in NEIGRIHMS. So I don't know what there's no logic behind such kind of recruitment. So we are waiting for the director to initiate and to fulfill all the demands that we have put to him.